Good morning, everyone. It's Deborah, and it is time for the 700 subscriber giveaway. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys for being patient, but let's go ahead and roll. This is going to be bag number one. Okay? If you are interested in winning this, you will definitely put in the comments section number one. Okay? The rules are, let's go ahead and get the rules out of the way. USA only. You must be a subscriber, and you're going to comment which prize packages you're interested in. Okay, there's going to be 7 of them, so watch closely. So here's number one, bag number one, and here's one of the fashion gems. These would be great for flowers, etc. Here's a Pebbles banner kit. And there's 24 banners in this, and so you could, make a cute little banner or use them in your paper crafting. Here is A2 cards. These are something I picked up from Ollie's, so just, letting you know that. And then a Scrap Diva Designs apple die metal die. So if you have a die cut machine, that will be great to work with that. And then here's some mini pieces that I picked up, decorative pieces, mini accents that I picked up from Michaels, and there's some cute, you can see the cute little things, and there's 28 pieces, cupcakes. Okay, and then here is iron-on patches with cupcakes, and those were picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then a friend of mine, Deborah, has donated a loaded pocket with all kinds of sunflower goodies in there, and that's one of the things that she did, which is amazing. Thank you, Deborah, for doing that. So, for donating that. So anyway, if you're interested in number one, please comment number one for that bag. Okay? All right, let's move. We got a lot to cover because I have 7 of these. This is going to be number 2. Number 2 in the prize packages. Okay. All right. Here's a Shape Die Heart Sunglasses. I did get that from scrapbook.com. Can't even talk. Some Pebbles phrase ephemera. And there's 40 pieces of that. There's a glimpse of what's included. Okay. Then a pack of the AC American Crafts white A2 card bases. And there's 6 envelopes, 6 cards in that. Okay. Then a roll of the Super Glue double-sided tape. This is great foam tape for using for popping up your ephemera, etc. Okay. And then a bag of buttons galore and more. Santa's here embellishments. So cute. Great for your little mixes and all of that stuff, sequin mixes, etc. And then a package of these little gems, adhesive gems, 40 pieces, different. And then look at this, a little stamp set with handmade by you, for you, from me to you, limited edition. Okay, this is prize package number 2. Okay, number 2. So if you're interested in that one, you can put that in the comments section. Okay, let's move on, guys. I got a bunch. Let me make sure I got that one. Yep. Okay, here's number 3. Number 3. Guys, you're going to find out that I have a lot of Ollie stuff in here that I have picked up for prizes. Okay, and Dollar Tree. So here's some Crafter Square dots. These are great. The jewels, they are great for flowers, inside of flowers, and then just plain embellishments. This would be a great Christmas one, too, if you use a blue theme. And then another Pebbles Phrase Ephemera. Another thing of A2, ACA2 cards. And then Deborah donated this die, which is, it is from Dollar Tree, and it's leaves. Perfect timing for the fall. You could, look, here's what the leaves look like when you cut them out. They're great for your die cut machine. And then there's a big Christmas stamp. I did use it once, guys, so just to let you know, but that's it. And then a letterboard accents Boss Lady, but you could use this for so many things. You know, you don't have to use it for the letterboard. And then a pack of the Sparklets Peppermint Sticks Mix. Okay, so this is prize number 3. Number 3 is what that one was. Guys, if you're interested in all 7, just put 1 through 7 in the comments section. Remember, it has to be a USA address only. You have to be a subscriber. Okay, this is number 4. Number 4. Cute stuff in here. Okay, some more gemstone stickers. These were a Dollar Tree find. Great for flower centers, etc., etc. Here's some Sparklets Angel Song Mix. Cute stuff. Get ready for Christmas. Here's another Pebbles Phrase Ephemera. I picked up a ton of those from Ollie's to share with you guys in prizes. And then another ACA2 card pack. 6 cards, 6 envelopes. And then these cute little Valentine, this was from Hobby Lobby from this year. The cute little Valentine donuts. They are super cute. Super cute. And then a pack of pins. These I picked up at Ollie's. They're American Crafts pins. And then more of the cutting dies in the leaves, and then this cutting die, which is a mini quilt block. Okay, and that was from scrapbook.com, and it makes that. Okay. It'd be cute for cards. This is prize pack number 4. Prize pack number 4. Okay, whoops, I'm messing up stuff. My desk is a mess, guys. Yeah, when isn't it? Okay, this is going to be prize pack number 5. Number 5. Okay. We got some Jot stickers. These are cute, great for flowers, your bigger flowers, but in other embellishments, and just a rainbow collection of those. Another Pebbles banner kit. I should have fanned through, but you could use this for so many things. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. And then another card kit with 6 cards, 6 A2 cards and envelopes, and they in the craft. Very nice. And then another set of pins. Okay. Scrapbook.com Happy Halloween stamp. And then this, look at that. This is a ghost, mini ghost tag from Scrap Diva Designs. And then more of the little iron-on patches. You don't have to iron them on, guys. You can use these in your paper crafting. Great for mini albums, etc. Okay, whoops. Guys, sorry. Technical difficulties or something. This is number 5. If you're interested in number 5, comment in the comment section. Okay. Number 6. Let me go ahead and put number 6 on here. Just got ink on my table. Oops. Alright. I want to thank everybody for helping me get to 700 subscribers. It looks like right now I'm over 700, but look at this. Here's something, Pink Heart gem assortments in different sizes. Valentine's Day is just around the corner after Christmas, so get your Valentines on early. And then here's another one of those Pebbles banner kits. And then more A2 cards. You see the theme? You're getting a lot of card stuff, aren't you? And then another letterboard icons. Remember I told you can, use these for embellishments instead. And then this is a mini transfer. What do you call that? You can transfer it anyway to what your project. And then look at this. This is what is it? The Hey There Pumpkin Small. It's a bag topper. You'll love that. Scrap Diva Designs. And then a scrapbook.com, this little mini Boo Ghost stamp. Okay, that is number 6. Number 7, and the final one. Number 7. All right, I gotta hurry. This video is long. All right. Gem Look. Ooh, I don't know how that got on there. But anyway, Gem Look stickers, 64 count. These were from Dollar General, and so cute. A pair of scissors. These were from Ollie's. The American Crafts cut-up scissors. These are always nice. Okay. And then a pack of A2 cards in the craft. And then the mini accents pieces, and these are all holidays. Look how cute. And then some iron-on patches. And this one you probably want. It's a KS Craft candy bar. It's the candy bar. You've probably seen me make this already in one of my videos, okay? All right, and then Janae, one of the crafters on our group, Daisy Deb Crafts on Facebook, she donated this Red, White, and Bloom pack for me to donate. And this is, one of our swaps, a red, white, and blue swap that we had. So anyway, if you're interested in this pack, this is number 7. Okay, guys, I'm going to get this uploaded. You have until, let's see real quick. It is, let me get out my calendar. Today is September 4th. You have until Friday. Now that's going to make it too long. Let's do my Wednesday video, September 10th. I'll announce winners on September 10th. Winners for 700. Okay. So you have until that morning, 6 a.m. Central Standard Time on September 10th to comment. Okay? That should give you enough time, guys. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy all the prizes. It was fun picking everything out. Took forever. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.